Good morning and welcome. It's a bit different, isn't it? What a mess to look at as you first click on my channel. Well, this is just showing you what you can do with your leftover paint or your scraped paint. So there's no wastage at all. It's just recycled. Having that wax-proof or waterproof paper that I use underneath, it really creates perfect opportunity to reuse or repurpose for sure. So watch on as I just add some colour to this and make a completely different piece of art from it.
He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears. My heart is
So as you can see, just added my little bit of extra colour on top of my scraped paint and doing the canvas dip, which is always very easy beginner's acrylic fluid technique for anybody, your children, your family, yourself, if you're just beginning. And it always seems to have a really lovely effect, kind of no matter what you do, unless your paints are really too thin. So just pressing that canvas out there, and I'm going to just give it a slight swirl. I find it sort of gives it a different effect again. And look at that, that's beautiful. So you've really got two pieces of art there that you can use. You've got your canvas that you've just made, which I think is absolutely gorgeous, but then that wax paper that you're seeing underneath with the shapes on it, you can further dip it again and create another piece of art, or you can let that wax paper dry and use it again then for either cut out or another piece of art. But I have got another idea coming up that I'm going to show you what to do with your dried wax paper dippings or clippings or whatever you call them. So as you can see, I'm just adding a few of my own personal embellishments, and it's an option for you that you can do, or you can just leave it as the dip. It's obviously perfectly fine just as the dip, but I do love these floating little blooms. They kind of give it like a 3D effect on a dip, so it is really nice, adding another technique to your already acrylic fluid dip. So really loving my little balloons with my straw and my balloon. I just love it. So I'll give you a little look-see and see what you think, but I'm pretty happy with that. So just out of basically wasted paint. That is what to do with your leftover paints. You can make another or several pieces of lovely art out of it, for sure. Quick, simple dip with a blown flower. So don't forget, any technique you do in fluid art, whether it be a cut pour, a swipe, a bloom, a dip, chaos blow, you can add different types of elements to it, your different techniques to the same thing. So don't just think because you do a swipe you can't add blown out flowers or put a stencil on top. So many options. I hope you love that quick and easy one out of my wasted paint. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you.
Drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Simplicity at its best. Just colour combo testing, composition testing with different colours. And this is how my day is spent. And you can absolutely take high definition photos of these and have them printed. So how easy is that? Art therapy for sure.
On this moment I depend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could